Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your name in Yahoo Mail application. Your display name in the Yahoo Mail app is what recipients see when they get an email from you. If you'd like to update it, then first of all open the Yahoo Mail application on your device, or you may also log into yahoo.com on a web browser and sign into your account. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now click on the Settings menu from the options. Under Settings, tap on Manage Accounts. Click on the Account button right underneath your current email, and then you'll be taken to this page. From the options, select Personal Settings. Enter your device's passcode, and then on the next page, you will see the Change Display Name button. Tap on that. Now go ahead and erase your current display name and write down a new one. After you are done, click on Done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display name on Yahoo Mail application. Now, if you ever want to change your username, then scroll all the way down under Personal Details and click on Update. Now, in the first name, go ahead and erase the current name and write down a new one. You can also go ahead and edit your surname, and once done, click the Done button at the bottom. After you do that, you'll also be able to change your full name or your username on Yahoo. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.